Oh, here. Here, El Gato Park.
It's modern. May modern na tayo.
Ngayon na? Okay.
Do you have any juices for the kids?
We have orange, pineapple, we have watermelon, pineapple.
Watermelon for you. How about you, Kuya? Wow, that's alcoholic, Kuya. I can't drink that.
We have mocktails as well. So
Sorry?
mocktails we have one.
Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa El Gato Park. Kakain kami dito for dinner. Maagang dinner. Look, ang ganda ng view. Nandito kami sa 51st floor. Ayan, look at the place. It's so elegant. Ang ganda-ganda. Dito kami sa lounge area kasi hindi pa open yung kanilang resto. Ayan, dito. 7:30 pa ito pala mag-open. Medyo maaga kami.
Alam niyo, napanood lang namin ang video nito sa TikTok. So, since Father's Day naman, sabi ko sa asawa ko, try namin puntahan. And ito na nga. Advance celebration tayo.
Father's Day kaya. Ngayon namin i-celebrate ang Father's Day.
And dito sa part na to, ang makikita mo ng mga buildings and constructions. Siyempre, makikita mo dito yung the tallest building in the world. Yung Burj Khalifa. Ayun.
Taas. Nahihilo akong tumingin sa baba, my God.
Oh, ito na pala ang aming food. Umorder kami ng 2 pizza and 2 pasta. And the food, oh, it's so delicious. Medyo mahal, pero okay lang. Paminsan-minsan lang naman.
Madilim na.
Mag-open na yung resto nila.
Ang cute nito, oh, pag ganyan ang bahay mo, no? Ay,
Taas
see.
na.
Ang ganda.
Ganda na yung setup nila.
Oo.
Elegante talaga.
Every corner, no? Napaka-elegant ang kaya lang yun nga, dito ka lang talaga. Nakakalala pag bumunta, parang sobrang liliit ng mga buildings dun sa baba.
Taas
Kasi
to eh. Kita mo ang downtown dito.
Ano ba yan?
Galing na?
Oo, it's amazing.
Is it?
No.
I want to feel that feeling again.
Are you scared?
Oh, wait, no. I feel like my ears are gonna pop. Wait.
Ang bilis na, no?
My ears, oh yeah, no, the popping is coming.
Let's go.
It is.
It feels like it's getting blocked.
Yeah.
Oh.
It feels like it's
my head is
Mine is
getting
not.
squeezed.
yeah. It feels like it's going inside.
Yeah, it feels like my head is
Ano? Saan tayo? Uwi na?
Yeah.
Saan ba pwede? Saan ba pwedeng
I
puntahan
feel
pa?
so heavy now.
Dito?
too.
Oh, wala.
It feels heavy, and I feel like my voice is like.
Parang nahilo ako ah.
Why am I so heavy now?
I feel like my voice is like.
Sige. Come baby. Take a picture. Come.